Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You will become successful not because of your skills but because of God's grace. Nothing is permanent in this world, not even your troubles. Charlie Chaplin. Umbrella cannot stop the rain but can make you stand in the rain. Confidence may not bring success but give us power to face any challenge in life. Shakespeare once said, I cared when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Life is full of blessings. Sometimes we don't value it. So value what you have in life without complaint. Never announce your moves before you make them. 15 ways to keep a relationship working advice. First, love each other. Second, don't lie. Third, keep communication open. 4, stay sweet. 5, when you get hurt, just forgive and forget. 6, never talk about breakups. 7, never say it's okay even when it's not. 8, forget about pride. 9, if you say sorry, mean it. 10, don't compare your past with your present. 11, don't talk about your stupid exes. 12, give and take processes. 13, be aware of his or her feelings. 14, when you had a fight, don't let the day pass. 15, don't be the perfect one, be the right one. Mirror is the best friend because when I cry, it never laughs. Charlie Chaplin. People talk behind your back for 3 reasons. 1, when they cannot reach your level. 2nd, when they don't have what you have. 3rd, when they try to copy your lifestyle but cannot. Behavior is always greater than knowledge because in life there are many situations where knowledge fails but behavior can still handle. You are the artist of your life. Don't give the paintbrush to some else. If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand alone like a tree. And if you fall on the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to a fight again. Respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Confess the fault when you are wrong. Because one day in life you will be old, weak, and wrong. When you run alone, it's called race. When God runs with you, it's called grace. Respect is the most important element of your personality. It is like an investment. Whatever you give to others, it will return you with profit. A relationship don't need cute voice and lovely face. Relationships needs beautiful heart and unbreakable trust. Best advice. Save money every week, does not matter how much, just save. Listen to your parents' advice. At the end of the day, they are only ones who want the best for you. Choose your friends wisely. You are the product of your environment. Learn to be alone and independent. It's a skill few master. Educate yourself. Read, read, read. Be healthy and look after your body. Don't wait for someone to love you. Learn you yourself first. You will look okay.